Is this fun?
Yeah.
It is?
Yeah. Try it.
Sit over. So we have food coloring. We have Dawn dish soap. We have vinegar and baking soda. Yeah. And we're gonna make something cool with the pumpkin. Okay. Yeah, we're gonna take. Make it look like a cup ball.
Need more, wait.
No.
Yeah, up there.
Okay, so put some dish soap in it.
Soap.
2 drops.
1, 2, 3,
A little bit more.
4.
Squirt. Okay.
Wait. Okay, it's good. Okay, that's it. Okay. I don't smell.
Take the top. Right there, guys. Yep, we're gonna lift it up just like that. I'm just gonna lift it up for you. Okay. Alrighty.
1, 2, 3. Look at it. What happened? Get close to us. Get close. That's awesome. What happened?
It's coming out of his eyes.
This is a really hit. What happened?
Huh?
Let me open it. Let me see. It's not soap. It's vinegar. Okay, together, I want you guys to lift it up and see what's inside. Up and see what's inside. You gotta take your hand, not with the fork. Take your hand inside, dig your hand inside, and take out what's in there. Like this. Watch this. It's seeds. That's how you open a pumpkin. There's seeds inside. Did you know that? Did you know that? Yeah, you take your hand and you just pull it out just like that. And it's the brains of the seeds of the pumpkin. And you put it right there. Can you guys dig your hand